So man, I've been dealing with a lot, not negatively, actually positively. I've been like having to do a whole lot, man. Of course y'all know it's the holidays, so I'm stupid busy with custom orders, man. All that kinds of stuff, man. And then on top of that, I finally got a place, man, and I'm in the process of moving now. So it's been pretty difficult to make videos and stuff, man. But I just got a message on Instagram that really got me like, bro, you gotta get this stuff done. You gotta make some videos and stuff like that, man. I'ma share some insight, and then I'm gonna let y'all know. Follow my boy HDC Kicks on Instagram. I'll pop a picture up and stuff like that. But man, I guess I just want to read it to y'all, man. And guess I'm gonna read it out to y'all. I know my dog. You know what I'm saying? He cool with it. Because other people need to know. You know what I'm saying? Like it's bigger than you. Even if you at a certain level or whatever, or if you feel like you're not at a certain level, it's still bigger than you. You know what I'm saying? So what's good, my boy? Just want to let you know because I've been studying your vids and you at the top of the list. Squad, then you hear me? I finally found my way. You giving me so much inspiration, you wouldn't even know. I appreciate you, fam. If it wasn't for customized, I don't know what I'd be doing with my life. So thanks again. You out here saving lives and you don't even know it. Bruh, to be real with y'all, just be completely honest, man. Like, that's the main reason why I started my channel, honestly. Because, like, I knew what I had been through and what lengths I went through to get to where I'm at right now. And it's like, if I can prevent somebody from having to go through that, you know what I'm saying, and just go ahead and find out. My bad, y'all, keep adjusting. My hair look a mess and I'm trying to hide it. But yeah, man, if I can prevent somebody from having to go through the things that I went through, the lengths that I had to go through to get to where I'm at, man, I'ma do it. You know what I'm saying? I done did some stuff, man, that like dangerous things, you know what I mean, all that kind of stuff. And the main reason I want to go and make this channel and start, putting some positivity out there for just to be honest with you, for the people who've been in my situation, who are in my situation and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Like growing up and everything, I didn't grow up in the best. I mean, I'm from Memphis, y'all. Y'all know what's up. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't grow up in the best areas and, you know what I'm saying, in the safest situations all the time. My folks did what they could. You know what I'm saying? They did exactly what they were supposed to do, but I'm not finna be around them 24/7. You feel me? I gotta go to school. I gotta do, you know what I'm saying, moving around and stuff like that. So yeah. And then, with me leaving the house and stuff like that, a lot of I was around some stuff, you know what I mean, within some stuff that, that's just what I knew, you know what I mean? And having a kind heart still, and just wanting to help people out, I mean, I risk my freedom, I risk my life and stuff like that just for the people who I loved and stuff like that. So I say all that to say, man, I just want to put some positivity out there and show folks that it's another way, that you can be an entrepreneur, that you can be something besides, in the streets selling drugs. That ain't the only way to get money. You know what I'm saying? And my biggest thing was like, because I know both sides of it, I know how fast this can build and I know how quick that can end. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, bro, why don't you put all your eggs in this basket instead of that other basket? Because it ain't no good ending to that. You know what I mean? I know it's cliche to say or whatever, man, but it is what it is, bro. It ain't no good ending to it. Ain't no happy ending to it. You know what I'm saying? Unless you get up out of it, you feel me? If you make it out, then yeah, you can make some changes and get right. But my main reason to starting this channel is to help people that feel like they have no way and that they're not creative or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Just go on and get creative and like I say, get it out of your head, and in reality, man, you can make it happen, whether it's painting shoes, designing clothes, even going to school, whatever you want to do, you know what I'm saying? Just go ahead and do it, bro, because you get one life and you don't want to waste your life on something that ain't got no happy ending. You feel me? I would rather you put all your energy into one thing that can possibly save you and your people. You feel what I'm saying? But anyway, man, I know it's kind of long-winded or whatever. I'm probably gonna drop this video just separately or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But I do got a lot to do, man. I'm finna show you. I'm gonna start the little work vlog or whatever. But I appreciate y'all watching, man. Love y'all, man. Y'all keep y'all heads up, keep your mind right, you feel me? And just keep on going, man. You gonna make it, you know, yeah. But it's been y'all. And I'm gonna catch you in the net when you hear me.